Hey guys, it's me, Sethblocks here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do coding in C#. And today we're going to be making a Hello World program, and then we're going to change it a little. So here's how you're going to do it. You're going to install Visual Studio and all the things for .NET C#, and then you're going to make a .NET Framework C# application for a console. So then you should get this screen, and we're going to start by typing console.writeLine, and then inside this we're going to put some quotation marks, and it'll say to do a string value, which means you can type pretty much any text in there. So then we're going to put this at the end, and it should say no issues found. Now we can't run it yet because it will instantly close, so this we're going to use for a different purpose later, except console.readline, then we're going to hit start. So it should start off and it should do that, and then when you hit enter, it'll close. So now I'm going to show you another way you can use the console.readline. So we're going to make a variable, so we're going to do var input, or whatever you want to call it, equals console dot readline. So that will create a variable that will basically save what the user typed. Then we're going to make an if statement, and it's going to be if input is equal to, you're going to put two equal signs so it doesn't think you're setting the variable. So input equals, so if input is equal to something, is equal to, let's say, hi. Then we're going to put one of these, we're going to delete this, and going to do that. So then what will happen is when we start it and you type hi, it'll say hello world and then quickly close. That's why we're going to put the console.readline back. So your final program should do this. So, hi, hello world, then. So what? So If you want to change this, you can make it so that so if input equals hi, maybe you want to change that to hello. Maybe you want to change hello world to hi there. You can do that by changing what's in the quotation marks. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, that's it. Bye guys.